Hello guys, welcome back to Cabello and welcome back to another Minoxidil update. So here's 11 months guys, 11 months already, it's crazy. Progress with my beard has been pretty good. Obviously I feel like when you get to these stages where I am, it's kind of harder to tell that there's any progress compared to like one to like the first to the fourth month. You see a lot of progress there because you had nothing, but there's still some progress. Let's get right into it. Also, my beard, I haven't trimmed it since I did that video trimming it about a month ago or a month and a half ago. So it's pretty long right now. It's about, if I had to put a number on it, I would say about 2.5 months of growth, I would say. So yeah, let's get right into it and start with the left side as always, which is my strong side. So here we go. That is my left side. I feel like it's looking much fuller than last time I did a video with the longer hair. Especially, you can notice this area right here. It's full of hair basically. If you see my previous videos, I always have that little gap right there, which I have on my other side still. But the one on this side, it's getting pretty good, honestly. Like, you can barely see it anymore since the hair is longer. So yeah, you can still see it's pretty thin. I don't know if it's thin or just not very dense. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. Honestly, I don't mind it. I don't mind rocking it like this. Looks pretty good. And for selfies, you can always do this, make it look fuller. Anyways, moving to the center area, the round beard, as they call it. Mustache still weak AF, as always. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with my mustache. I don't know. It's been a year almost already and it's still pretty weak. Honestly, still better than the beginning, but it's all full of vellus and very thin transitional, I guess you could call, hairs. So that's my mustache. Then on the left connector, you can see it's pretty connected. I think it's basically connected all the way. Don't have a problem with that. The chin, you can see some hairs crawling up here, some new hairs. And then the right connector, which is one of the best improvements I've seen from month 10 to 11th, including this area here. So this area and the left and the right connector, I'm sorry, are the major improvements I've seen from month 10 to 11. You can see there's a lot of hair there now. Still very, thin, like thinner, way thinner than this up here. But there is definitely a lot more hair, and that's a good sign. Even from far away now, it's it's a little more noticeable than before, which is good. So underneath, you can see that gap that I had in the middle is also getting fuller, which is a good sign again. And moving to the right side, which is, as always, very hard for me to show. That's what that's looking like. As you can see, that gap still there on this side. As I told you, it's not as full as the left side. But yeah, making progress overall. I honestly feel like, I've been making gains every month, slowly but surely, like stuff that I can notice. That's better. Besides my mustache, but that's a different thing. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I keep derma rolling. Like, I would derma roll like a whole month, like once a week or twice a week, and it gets better. and like there's like these little hairs that pop up, as you can see there. But then I stopped derma rolling for a month, and they all go away. So yeah, I don't know, it's weird. So yeah, that's my beard right now. Next month it's gonna be a year. Pretty big wait. I think I'm waiting to trim my beard until the year mark, just to kind of make a video comparing to what I started with. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. At the year mark, I think I'm gonna switch to 10%, or at least I'm gonna order it at the year mark, and whenever it gets here, I'll start using. Right now, I have 2 liquids left, 2 liquid minoxidils left, and then 1 full foam minoxidil left. So that's about, because I split it. I use foam at night, foam during the day, as I said, and then the liquid during night. So I don't know, that's about 3, probably 4 months worth of minoxidil. So I still have some left. I'm gonna start using the 10% at the 12-month mark, or the year mark, so next month. So yeah, I'm gonna use 10%, gonna get like 3 months of 10%, use that only 10% twice a day. Then after that, I can decide if I want to use the rest of my 5% after using the 3 months of 10%. Anyways, guys, I'm talking too much in this video, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Yep, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, as I said, so you can see all my coming videos, and like this video. And I'll see you at the year mark, which is a pretty big milestone. So, yeah, see you guys.